Greetings to all. Now we are going to discuss about how to use Bandicam for screen recording. Go to Google, download Bandicam app, Bandicam. Now you can download free screen recording Bandicam app to your PC. After download, you can install the app in your system. Then it will look like this. Now let us discuss some options about the recording. First, we have to click advanced. Here there are some setup options. First, general. Here where our Bandicam window should appear. If you click Bandicam windows on top, this will appear in the top of the screen. So always click this one. So tip information in the bar. This is enough. Then click OK. Then click this option. You can click this. Here there are some other options. First one is sound. Record sound. Click here. There are different options: default sound, speakers, microphone Droid cam. Now I am using microphone USB, so click microphone USB. This is the mic we are going to use for a record purpose. Then here also select the same microphone USB. This is for sound purpose. In case you want to add webcam for recording, just click this webcam. Your web camera will be activated. So now we are not going to use webcam, so simply I remove this app. Next one is mouse. For recording the screen, this is very important. So tick this show mouse cursor and you can select the color. Then click OK. Then this is logo. Suppose you want to add any logo in your video, you can able to add. So like this, you can create your own logo and add the file name. Right now we are not giving any logo. This is options. So here some options are there like this. So general track priority, just leave as it is. Then click OK. So this is preliminary setup you want to do while preparing the screen recording. Then click video. Here if you want to stop the recording, just click F12. The recording will be stopped automatically. Then click settings. Again you can get the same settings whatever we discussed in the previous. So click OK. Then go to image. Suppose you want to take any screenshot, you can take screenshot using Bandicam. So whatever the format you want, you can select here. So this is used for screenshot purpose. Again come to home, general settings. Then suppose you want to record screen, select this one. there are certain options: rectangle screen, full screen, around the mouse. Now we are going to select full screen. So if you select full screen, entire screen will be recorded in your video. So this is a simple and very useful tool for record your audio and video. Thank you.